And this weekend, I'm sure all the housemates who did not have partners, they wish to go back and have partners. Hi, welcome back. My name is Bonso. If you're new here or you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section and like this video. Share it with your friends. Today, we're gonna just say who did it best in terms of costume, deco, gifting also. I mean, Brixie and Tamelis were gifting their favorite this weekend, and it was epic. I mean, what? Let's just start with the deco, guys. And let's just be honest. Tamelis are winning this one. It was elegant, it was classic, it was actually something that you see that is modern, it's giving. We are young people, young couple who love like great luxurious thing. Just like the theme it was Tamelux, meaning that it's luxurious. When it comes to Brixie and Brixie, yes. It was so tough, guys. Like, why does it look like a low budget pageant in the village of KZN or Limpopo, Eastern Cape, or somewhere? Why does it look like my village, actually? Why are you using that sofa? Of all the sofas that you could use, it feels like it was something that was rushed. At this point, I was looking at the deco and I'm like, these people wanted to copy Tameli and then they did it in a like click of a second. They say we're gonna do something similar to them and then they changed their plans because there's no way that you have been planning this for 2 months. No ways. I didn't like it. It was not proper. It was not deserving of Bravo and Trixie. They deserved better. The shippers, you need to do better in that department. And then let's talk about the outfits. When it comes to outfits, I'll start with Tandek. Tandek, we're saying this is Tameluk. So this is a luxurious place, a gifting at a luxurious place. You can't wearing casual wear. Like, guys, or maybe, you know, she still stay in Europe. Because let me tell you something about Europeans. There's higher class, middle class, and lower class, right? Middle class, they don't care that much. Higher class, they're always looking luxurious. Higher class, we're talking about Queen Elizabeth, we're talking about Middleton. They're always looking put together. But the middle class in Europe, the working class, they don't really care. Like they just put on everything and keep it going. And from what we know and hear from Tandeka is that she was a working class in Italy. So they don't really care. So I'll give her a pass, but next time when you come to South African events, when you say it's luxury, better come wearing a metric dance dress. I'm joking, but she can do better. That dress that she was wearing when she was going to Icon Awards, she could have repeated that and I could not complain because that screams luxury. And the hair belt was so off for luxury. And then Bravo and Trixie. Okay, guys, it's cold. We understand that it is cold. But you guys, you just take any jersey you can get and come to the event, any jean that you can get and come to the event. I feel like you guys didn't put any effort. It was like in the morning, like, babe, what are you gonna wear? Okay, let's pull up with black jeans. Really? Come on, guys. Like, really? I'll give it to the Tamelis because Meli brought luxury, clean, elegant, classy boyfriend who looked like a model. I loved that. Like 100 out of 100. Meli, you ate, you left no crumbs. And then let's go to the most important part, which was gifting. Like I feel like this is a part where you will choose where you think one won, but when it comes to the monetary value, Tandega and Meli did the best, like the best I've ever seen in shipping. 300,000, they were able to give donations, 10,000 for whatnot and whatnot. That was enough. I mean, you don't need to even have a trip if you have that. They can just plan it from their own pockets and keep it going. For Brixie, I feel like you guys, you want to pressure yourself so much because after you see that Tandega, after you saw that Tandega and Meli were gifted 3,000, you were busy pushing for 50 rand, 50 rand, thinking that you can reach that. Here is South Africa, you cannot reach 100,000 in a day. If your donations are based here in South Africa, you need a week at maximum. You need 3 days, you need 4 days. And 150, that's something, guys. 150,000 is a lot of money. You did well for yourself. Plus a vacation to Bali, 50,000, and other gifts that I actually feel like you guys, I'm saying maybe the theme was 1970s, but we didn't know. You giving them pots, kettles. Are these people getting married, or it's just like what was that? Huh? Matching t-shirts, guys. That's so 2010s. Like, duh. Like maybe for me, the couple now they must complement each other. But the wedding king and queens thing, that's so 2010s. 2016. That's what we're doing those things of matchy and whatnot. But otherwise, I feel like besides Tandaga's tennis dress, Tameli's they ate this weekend, and this weekend belongs to them. You choose your favorite sheep pies and who did better between Tandega and Meli versus Bravo B and Trixie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next upload. Goodbye.